Please see the video till the end. Okay, children, now we have studied what is a fraction, and we know that now a fraction is a part of something whole. Till now we studied a fraction of a unit, means one whole object is there and a part of that object. But now we are going to study a fraction of a collection and also a multiple of a fraction. Suppose a fraction of a collection, not one whole object, but suppose a fraction of collection of some dots, 20 dots. For example, 20 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here we want to find a fraction of this collection of 20 parts. Suppose I want to find out 1 upon 4 of 20. Means I want to find 1 upon 4 part of this 20 dots. Now 1 upon 4 means what? If something is divided into 4 equal parts. Now this collection of 20 dots is also divided into 4 equal parts here. 1, 2, 3, 4 means in each of these rows, each of the row, 5 dots are there. First row 5 dots, second row 5 dots, third row 5 dots, and fourth row 5 dots. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, and 15 plus 5 20. So here I want to find out 1 upon 4 of 20. So that will be equal to 20 divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are 20 is equal to 5 dots. So 1 upon 4 of 20 is equal to 20 divided by 4, that is 5 dots. So we can, in this way, we can find a fraction of a collection. A fraction of a collection. Suppose here it is 1 upon 2 of 20. 1 upon 2 of 20 means half of 20. Easily you can, half of 20 is what? 10. But that is equal to 20 divided by 2. And that is equal to 10. Half of 20. 5 plus 5, 10. This is one half and this is other half. So in half part there are 10 dots and in other half part there are 10 dots, equals 20 dots. So half of 20 is 20 divided by 2, that is 10. And one more concept is that half of 20 is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by 20. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 20. Now here multiplication of fractions is there, or one fraction is multiplied by one number. I told you when 20, no denominator is there for 20. So whenever there is no denominator, there is always 1 as a denominator. So when there is multiplication, children, it's very simple. Multiplication of fractions is very simple. Numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. So 1 multiplied by 20 is 20. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. So 20 upon 2. Now 20 upon 2 means what? 20 divided by 2. See here, something upon something, one number upon other means, that also means, suppose here 20 upon 2 is equal to 20 divided by 2. 20 upon 2 means 20 divided by 2. This is the dividend and this is the divisor. Denominator is the divisor and the numerator is always a dividend. So 20 divided by 2 is 10. Easily you can do the division. 2 tens are 20. So 20 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So suppose if there is a fraction of some number, you have to multiply that. Suppose 1 upon 2 of 20 means 1 upon 2 multiplied by 20, which is 20 upon 2, which also can be written as 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So in this way you can find out a fraction of a collection. Okay, one more example I will take. Sometimes it may be asked, find 3 upon 4 of 20. Find 3 upon 4 of 20. Now, we know that 3 upon 4 of 20 means 3 upon 4 multiplied by 20. But let me explain you. 3 upon 4 means what? 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. 3 like fractions whose numerator is 1. So in this case, we know that denominator will be as it is. When the like fractions are added, denominator is as it is, and only we have to add the numerators, that is 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3. So in short, 3 upon 4 means 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. So now we know that first we have to find 1 upon 4 of 20. So what is 1 upon 4 of 20? 1 upon 4 of 20. 1 upon 4 of 20. Just now we found in the last example we saw that 1 upon 4 of 20 is 5. 1 upon 4 of 20 is 5. And whatever, suppose 1 upon 4 of 20 is 5. How many times we have to take that? We have to take it 3 times. So 5 3 times is 15. That means 3 upon 4 of 20 is 15. That means 3 upon 4 of 20 is 15. First we have to find out 1 upon 4 of 20 and take it 3 times. First we have to find out 1 upon 4 of 20 and take it how many times? 3 times. 1 upon 4 of 20 is 5 and 5 times 3, that is 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. 5 times 3 means 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 added 3 times or 5 multiplied by 3, same thing, it is equal to 15. So in this way a fraction of collection can be explained. I hope this is clear to you. One more example. 2 upon 3 of 15. 2 upon 3 of 15. So here what we have to do first? We have to find out 1 upon 3 of 15. 2 upon 3 means what? 2 upon 3 also you know that we can write it as 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 added 2 times numerators only will be added, denominator will be as it is. So it will be 1 plus 1, 2, and 3 as it is, 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 means 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 means this 2 I have written splitted. This numerator I have splitted. Here 1 and here 1, and denominator I have kept it as it is. So 2 upon 3 of 15 means what? 1 upon 3 of 15, and take it 2 times. So first we will find out 1 upon 3 of 15. 1 upon 3 of 15 is equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. So is equal to 5. So 1 upon 3 of 15 is 5. And that how many times we have to take? 5 we have to take. Therefore 2 upon 3 of 15 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 means 2 times we have to take, and that is 10. 2 upon 3 of 15 is 10. So in this way you can find out a fraction of a collection.
Dear viewers, if you feel that this teaching video is useful to you, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please do share it with your friends and relatives who have students in their families. Please feel free to give suggestions and feedback. Do leave a comment for the same. Myself, Mr. Dinesh Kadu for Maths Enjoyment YouTube channel. Have a good time.